Our mission at Sin Reglas is to transform the experience of menopause for Hispanic women through a platform that offers community, education, support, and care so that women can lead healthy and purposeful lives. Sin Reglas is rooted in our own experience of menopause. We are a multidisciplinary team committed to our mission. We have a science-based guide on menopause to help women explore its different stages: perimenopause, menopause, postmenopause, as well as all its symptoms, why they happen and how to manage them. We offer the Menotist, a digital tool that helps women discover what stage of menopause they are in so they can take control of their health. We accompany women in menopause through our menocoaching sessions, where together we share our experiences and learn about menopause, its symptoms, and how to adopt healthy habits in nutrition, exercise, sleep hygiene, and stress management so that they can improve their health during this stage of their lives. Here they can schedule a session that best suits their needs. In the virtual clinic, we offer comprehensive menopause care with a gender perspective with expert menopause specialists. Women can schedule an appointment with the general practitioner, nutritionist, sexologist, psychologist, among others. Through our blog and courses, women can deepen their learning and acquire tools to feel better. Sin Reglas promotes a movement of companies and organizations in favor of conquering the next frontier of inclusion. We help companies create inclusive work environments for women in menopause, through diagnostic, awareness workshops, menocoaching, and the design of an inclusion policy for women in this stage of life to improve their health and retain their talent. To learn more, please download our report of the first study on the experience, perception, and impact of menopause in Mexico. In Sin Reglas,